Hey, second violins in 7th grade. This is your Legend of Asturias tutorial. This is 60. And I'm gonna start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Boom. Okay, then at 25 you have high 3. Of course you play one note, so one of you will play and one of you will probably play. Okay, so then we go to 31 to go. Two, three. Again, one of you will play high 3, and the other one will play. Okay. Okay, so then at 41 you have a G sharp and an E, or whoever is playing the top and the bottom. Then you have a low 2 at 47, and the bottom plays low 1. If you don't want to slide the fingers, you can play it with second finger. Okay, then E, then F, then G. So of course you count 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. One. Hold. Then keep counting. 1, 2. 1. 1, 2. Of course, the bottom is gonna play. And then same thing, Divisi. The top will play 1, 2. Okay, and the bottom is going to play, so I'm gonna start back again at one note before 62. So 1, 2, 1, low 1, 1, normal, low 1, one. Now 68. So practice this part. Okay, now going back to the metronome, we are doing, continuing, now going back to the sign.
2, 3.
So this is the sign at 17. You have rest, then you have, and then you go to Coda. Now notice the dots here. 2, go, boom. Low 1, of course. Normal. One. Okay, so this, if you play a high 3 and a low 1, that might be a stretch. So my recommendation is to use your 4 and play low 4. Okay, now I'm gonna do it at 80. This is 80. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go, boom. I'm gonna skip all that part. I'm gonna start at 31, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Two, three. Good. Then I'm gonna skip. I'm probably gonna play before 68. I'm gonna play one measure, find it, and 1. And then you go to the sign, which is lots of rests. 25, you have couple of notes, and then we're going to 77 coda. 1, 2, 3, boom.